Hi guys, good morning. It is 11 o'clock here, I guess. I'm here at the next to the pool. I'm cleaning the after the rain. All kinds of dead leaves are seeping to the ground. So hard to sweep. You should see what I did here. Yes, it's so clean now. This area are full of dead leaves. Now I clean it properly. This side are full of dead leaves too. They're hiding the leaves. Took me a while to clean this area. And then my trailers here, I remove all the junk hanging pots, containers. And here they are. Oh, my back really a little bit sore. I clean it. And the waste one is I put in the bag, then probably we're going to burn that. So it is so clean out here. Then the chicken are just disturbing me here. It's so nice now, it's clean. And see my flower there. Nice. A desert rose. So after this one, I'm going to feed again. I can hear the pigs crying. And here my landscape. Good thing it rained. Some of the chicken here is just roaming around looking for food, I guess. Then here on my trellis, I'm going to make a hanging plant again. But I need to plan what kind of hanging plants I'm going to set it here. So now it's all the ugly hanging stuff here that never grow. It's so clean now. On this side is still I need to set more plants here to look nicer. So this is my job this morning. Took me a while to clean all the leaves that hiding here to the corner. Very hard to clean. There are some are spoiled and rot. So nice my landscape here before when there is a rain, but now it's so ugly. Anyhow, there's still some plants that growing here. So this tree really is so nice. They give us a lot of shades here. What? I do, Philip there. This tree is giving us here a shades, a lot of shades. That is why the animals are here sitting.
Yeah, we're gonna have to when we go to town pick up some chlorine.
We have chlorine on the. Our pole is color green too. Very nice. So bye guys. Thanks for watching. Please share, like, comments, and subscribe. Thank you.